Today, I'll show you how to open a draw.io XML file. First, open your browser and go to draw.io. You may also see it called diagrams.net. Both names are used for the same diagram tool. When the page opens, you may be asked where you want to save or open your files from. You can choose device if the XML file is saved on your computer. Now look for the option that says Open Existing Diagram. Click it, then choose Device. A file window will open. Find the XML file on your computer, select the file, then click Open. Draw.io should now load the XML file and show the diagram on the canvas. If the file opens correctly, you can edit the shapes, text, arrows, colors, and layout just like any normal Draw.io diagram. If you are already inside the Draw.io editor, you can also open the file from the top menu. Click File, then choose Open From, and select Device. Find your XML file, open it, and the diagram should appear. Another easy method is to drag and drop the XML file directly into the Draw.io window. Open Draw.io first, then drag the file from your computer into the browser window. If the XML file is a valid Draw.io file, it should open as a diagram. If the file does not open, check that it really came from draw.io or diagrams.net. Some XML files are not diagram files, so draw.io may not be able to read them. Also, check the file name. A draw.io file can sometimes end in .drawio, .xml, or even be saved as a compressed file depending on how it was exported. If you received the file by email or download, make sure it was fully downloaded before opening it. After opening the XML file, you can save it again by clicking File, then Save. You can also export it by clicking File, then Export As, and choosing PDF, PNG, JPEG, or SVG. So, to keep it simple, open draw.io, choose Open Existing Diagram, select Device, find your XML file, and open it. You can also use File, then Open From, or simply drag the file into the editor. And that's how you open a draw.io XML file. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.